in this section 153, now we're adding two numbers without using a number line. So we are using our addition rule here. We have rule number one, rule number two. Adding two numbers with the same sign, two numbers with the same sign, another one adding two numbers with different sign. So first of all, let's see the adding two numbers with the same sign. Rule number one, there's rule number one, keep the same sign. Both positive, you keep positive sign, okay? That's deciding the sign. And then the value of those, the result will be adding the absolute of these two numbers. So we need to make an example for this. Image here. Two of the positive number, like 45 at 7. So the result, keep the sign positive. That means positive, you don't need to put a plus. That's already assuming a positive. And then add the absolute anyway, that's positive. So 45 plus 7, add 7 to 52. If we have a negative 32 plus negative 4, both numbers are negative, the same sign. Keep the sign, that means keep the negative sign. Put the negative first, and then add the absolute of these two values. Absolute, at the absolute meaning the absolute bar, 32 plus 4, negative 4. Okay, that will be these two numbers, negative 36, positive 32, positive. By the way, absolute meaning any number coming out of a positive, you get a positive. Negative also get a positive. So no matter what, you get a positive 32. No matter what, you get a positive 4. That means absolute of these two numbers. So the result of these two negative numbers is negative 36. So keep the same sign, negative, add 32, positive 30, add 4, 36. Okay, that's with the two numbers with the same sign. If we read different sign, okay, add two numbers with different sign, how do we add these two numbers? We're gonna first decide the sign. Use the sign of the greater absolute value. Okay, the larger number, absolute number, that one decided the sign. And then subtract the absolute of the larger number with the absolute of the smaller number. We need to make an example here. Two of the sign, two of the number with different sign. You could have a first positive and second number negative. It could be first number negative. Second number is positive, like this. So first, this is with different sign. These two cases. Use the sign of the greater absolute. Absolute, this is 36, this is 7. That one is larger, so you know the sign will be positive. So use the larger number, subtract this absolute of the smaller number. That will be this, which is the result is 29. Next example, first one negative, second one is positive. So these are different signs. This one is larger. Larger one is negative, so we know the result will be negative. Using the absolute of 42, subtract 7 to get the value of this part. So here 35, that's negative. That's how we use the rule to do our addition with same sign and different sign. Let's make one or two examples here. Checkpoint number 3. This is our checkpoint number 3. Page number 56. We want to do A. Negative 10 plus negative 25. Both numbers are negative. So both same sign, keep the sign. Okay, negative, and then use 10. absolute of 10, absolute of 25. Let's get the result of negative 35. Okay. Let's make checkpoint number 4. This is page number 57. If we do another example, A. Negative 15 plus 2. This example, two different signs. Okay? Two different sign number add together. The larger number, this absolute larger number is negative, so we know the result is negative. Using 15, larger number subtract the absolute smaller number, that's this, will be negative 13. So the result of negative 15 plus 2, using the rule, you get negative 13. Okay. That's the end of our section 153.